Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, I am here to discuss something deeply personal, a profound truth that shapes our lives, a truth that we too often overlook, a truth that is the determinant of our actions and the foundation of our existence. Who we are and who we become is a choice we make daily. Let me share this with you. We make choices daily, and not just about what we do, but about who we are. I want you to consider this. Each day we wake up, we're confronted with decisions, both big and small. It is so tempting to see these as mere choices about actions, but they are so much more. These are the decisions that build our character. These are the decisions that define who we are today and will be in the future. I want you to think about this for a moment. When faced with adversity, do you fall under pressure or do you rise stronger? When others wrong you, do you let bitterness take root or do you embrace the power of forgiveness? Often when hurt by others, we choose to close our heart instead of choosing the strength to forgive. These simple but important decisions are more than just fleeting thoughts in our minds. In fact, they are the foundation that defines our true essence. Realizing this gives you extra honor, power, and control over your lives. It means that your life circumstances don't just toss you about. Instead, you become the artist of your character. It is true that life has its many trials, many beyond your control. However, your power truly lies in how you respond to these trials. Now, let me get to the most exciting revelation of my discussion with you today. Each morning brings a blank page for each of us to write our story. We are not bound by yesterday's mistakes or confined by how others see us. Every second of the day is an opportunity for us to display kindness, show bravery, and to give love, to choose these over frustration, over our fear and our doubts. So, my request to you today is that you reflect deeply on your choices. What are your choices about who you are? Are you on the path toward the version of yourself you dream to be? Remember, we define our true selves in the quiet moments of choice. As we part ways today, I want you to remember the incredible power of choice. You and only you hold the pen that writes your life story. Choose deliberately, live passionately, and become the extraordinary person you're meant to be. Until the next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.